Best Off-Road Motorcycles 2025, Honda CRF450RWE. For 2025, the Honda CRF450RWE Works Edition solidifies its position as a top-tier off-road motorcycle, catering to riders who demand nothing but the best in performance, technology, and design. Building on the solid foundation of the standard CRF450R, the CRF450RWE takes things up a notch with premium components and factory-inspired features that make it a standout choice for serious off-road enthusiasts. Enhanced engine performance. The heart of the CRF450RWE is its 449 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine, but what sets the Works Edition apart is the addition of factory-spec upgrades. For 2025, Honda has further refined the engine with exclusive porting and a specially tuned exhaust system that includes a titanium Yoshimura slip-on muffler. These enhancements provide a noticeable boost in power and throttle response, making the CRF450RWE exceptionally quick off the line and responsive across all RPM ranges. Premium suspension and handling. The 2025 CRF450RWE features an advanced Showa suspension system, similar to its standard counterpart but with additional refinements that cater to professional-level demands. The 49mm coil spring fork and the ProLink rear suspension are both equipped with factory-level coatings and settings that improve damping and reduce friction. This results in smoother operation over rough terrain and better overall stability, giving riders a competitive edge in challenging conditions. Factory-inspired components. In addition to its performance upgrades, the CRF450RWE is equipped with a range of factory-inspired components that set it apart. This includes a Hinson clutch basket and cover for enhanced durability, titanium nitride-coated fork legs for reduced stiction, and special graphics that mimic the look of Honda's championship-winning race bikes. These elements not only improve the bike's performance but also give it a distinctive appearance that turns heads on the track. Ergonomic excellence and advanced features. Honda has maintained a focus on rider comfort and control with the CRF450RWE, offering a slim and lightweight design that makes maneuvering the bike effortless. The Rental Fat Bar handlebar is fully adjustable, and the seat design allows for easy transitions in body positioning. Additionally, Honda's selectable torque control and launch control systems are standard, providing riders with customizable settings to match varying track conditions. Conclusion. For those seeking the pinnacle of off-road performance in 2025, the Honda CRF450RWE delivers with its blend of premium features, factory-level upgrades, and race-ready performance. It's a motorcycle designed to excel in the toughest environments, making it a top choice for riders who demand the best.